Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off My AI notifications on Snapchat. So let's just get started. I'll be guiding you guys with an easy step. So just follow me guys. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Snapchat and then go to chats. From here, go to My AI conversation and then go to My AI profile by clicking on it. And then on the top right corner you'll see three dots. Just go over there and a bit down you'll find this chat settings. Just go over there and all the way down you'll be having option which says message notification. So right now it's toggled on. You can toggle it off by pressing on it and then press on done. Now the notifications will be turned off guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.